Well, hello everyone. I am Carrie Beck with How to Homeschool My Child, and we are here. I'm about to do an experiment with my granddaughters, and I just wanted to get real with you and sort of show you, let's see if I can change the camera, what it looks like in our house. So yeah, we're watching football, and you can see that our house is not perfect at all. We're gonna go on, yes, shoes on the floor. We're gonna come on into the kitchen, and here is Faith. Can you say hi, Faith?
Hi, Faith.
Hi. And then her aunt is what? Aunt Gentry. And
I'm Gigi.
And I'm Gigi. And they're going to do an experiment. It's very similar. Let's watch and look and see what happens. If you saw our pumpkin experiment, that we are just taking M&Ms and then we are putting enough. So that's good. Did it cover the whole thing? Yeah. So we're just going to hope that it works. But I did a pumpkin like this earlier, and now you can get and watch. Is this cool? Did we do this last weekend on Saturday? What's it doing? Look at it. It's making, what's it making?
Rainbow.
Oh,
but
rainbow.
after this one, can we do a pumpkin?
We'll do a pumpkin afterwards. Gigi already did one, but I wanted to let all my friends on How to Homeschool My Child see what it's like, and this one's really fun. And if you want to find out more about it, I'm going to be posting this on my blog and how you can do it. But basically, the sugar and the crystal and the M&Ms is on the candy coating, and the hot water dissolves it, and then that is what makes it start to move, and the colors go around. Yes, I'll let you look at that for a second. Then I will show off grandbaby number 2, who is throwing her cup on the floor. That is so cool. So thanks so much for spending a little time with us here on this Saturday. I am Carrie Beck with How to Homeschool My Child. On Monday, I'll be here with Mom's Monday Lunch Bunch, and I hope to show you a really cool app that will help you with your time management.